How you doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Canadian Classic Car Garage, CDN Classic Car Garage. So today I got a little project going on. Shouldn't be too long a video, but I'm going to be changing out this radio antenna on my 1968 Mustang. Here's what I am going to install. Here is the Scott Drake part number. But basically it's a much shorter version, a nice billet style, and it's got the antenna to the radio as well. Should be a simple removal and install. This one obviously has got the original gasket on there, and we'll see how difficult that is to get off. And then you've got to kind of pull this part through the interior of the car and connect it back up to the radio. So that's what I'm doing today. The old antenna is very large, almost crazy large for these cars, and this new short billet style will be great. So I'm going to set up and I'll get back with you in a second. You'll notice I had to, this is the only part that you reinstall. It's the only part that's not included in the kit, so you gotta make sure you reuse this piece, and it was a little awkward to get out of there, and I'll have to clean that up. You can see some of the original paint. Car used to be Wimbledon white. So I've got the outside done now, so I'm gonna go inside and make sure the wire that's going through, I think it passes through a grommet. You can see it on the new one. So I got to make sure that's dislodged from the firewall. So I'll check back in a second. Well, there you have it. Off camera, I finished it up. It was a little tricky trying to get these tightened on there without having that reusable part drop back down in. I had to I just put some electrical tape on the threaded portion that this attaches to hold it while I fed the bottom piece with the gasket, this next piece, and then finally the antenna. And inside I would suggest when you feed that antenna through, I just kind of attached some wire to the end just to kind of pull it through like you're wiring a house, just trying to feed the wire through. So I just need to attach that back up to the radio, tuck up that cable, and we are done. But I think it's a great improvement. It looks really good too. I'll give you a side angle here just to show you. You know, and there's the old one on the ground, which it worked, but obviously technology's changed in antennas, and that one was probably the best of the technology back in 1968, but today this is better, and it looks way better, and it's going to help me do my car cover in the winter, because I used to fight to put the car cover over that antenna, but now with this little short one, it should be pretty simple, and gee, it looks pretty good. So pretty simple project. Again, if you're looking for the part number, Scott Drake Billet antenna for a 1968, 64 and earlier. I think you only have to make sure that you have they have two versions on the CJ Pony Parts website, a square or a round base. So just make sure you pick the right one to match your original car. So hopefully that helps somebody today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time today. And again, it's Canadian Classic Car Garage, CDN Classic Car Garage. Thanks.